Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's just me and the hum of the fluorescents and the fans from the power supplies just hanging out here in the shop, in the garage, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it is. It could be the living room. Anyways, enough silliness. Yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for all of the new subscribers and the comments and checking in and seeing if I died or not. No death, just Christmas and family and sort of a busy time of the year, and took some time away from the mill. Had a couple things. I just got done. Had to throw an old timing chain in the pick-em-up truck, and so I did that these last couple days. Eventful. Nothing like a little in-frame rebuild. Yeah, so cut a couple things on here, nothing too crazy. Still, working through, Fusion and stuff. It's a new software, and so yeah, the machine seems to be working really well. Everything we've done with it so far, haven't found like any crazy design flaws or like, oh, that didn't work. So yeah, we're just learning. Picked up a couple more tools and started setting a couple of those up, and yeah, and also been sort of moving into the drawers down here. Let's see. Just got some stuff. Got a little set of parallels, 4-inch parallels for the little vise, and a set of ER20 collets. And I thought this was sort of neat here. In the other room, in the machine shop, all of like the fasteners, stock fasteners, like set screws, cap screws, button heads, all that stuff are in like, commercial drawers with these liners, and there was an extra liner left over, so I cleaned it up and plopped it in here, and I was completely blown away. Like, it's almost as if this thing was made to fit this drawer, like even down to the little plastic lip fitting over there, and the sort of lip fitting under there. Some extra tool holders. Wallet tightening thing. So yeah, pretty fun. It's fun to move into a new house. Must leave zero room to spare. So, in typical blog, vlog, freestyle, we're just gonna do it. I haven't ran this particular program all as once. I've made a couple changes, and so yeah, now we're gonna run it as once at one time instead of separate tool paths. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Wish us luck, or wish me luck. Okay. This is going to be a single block, just until we, make sure that we're kosher. That drawbar, man, is freaking handy. I couldn't imagine changing tools with like a wrench or something. Yeah. Super cool. Okay. So this is the little facing pass. I still haven't decided what kind of like face mill. Still undecided on that. And then you see a lot of people use like the 2-inch shars, and yeah, I'm not sure, maybe a Superfly or so. 3/8 face mill for the time being. Oh, this must be the cleanup pass. I downloaded was it G-Wizard or whoever's on the CNC cookbook, and I guess that's probably the next thing to do too, is sort of get a tool library with all the feeds and speeds dialed in, because we'll get there. It's just fun to see the damn thing move after a year. This is going to be the adaptive. Yeah, the machine sounds, I'm happy with how it sounds. Like it just sounds nice and tight, especially, considering it's sitting on an essentially sort of a resonance-prone hollow toolbox. But I think the linear rails really, really help the, just how solid it sounds. And I'm not sure what the feeds and speeds are. It's like 500 surface feet, like 2 thou per tooth. I think the feed rate's like 30 inches a minute, and the no engagement's at like 150, 120. Yeah, when I get more confident in my cam, here's the 2D contour, supposedly. Yeah, there it went. I think the RPM bumped up. it's asking for a tool change. I think the next, yeah, it's the chamfer. We'll put a little chamfer across the top of there. Pretty fun. I haven't ran this one yet, so let's see how she goes. Nice. I think that was like a 40,000th chamfer or something. All right. I gotta show you something real quick. Hold on, a little sidetrack. You can stop watching if you don't want to watch it. Yeah, I thought this was sort of neat. My dad made this. You know, he's sort of a freestyle builder. You know, he doesn't like to really draw or just goes for it. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And yeah, I just wanted to show you. This was to hold the hand or to hold the air blower, and yeah, it's like some UHMW rounds made on the lathe, and then they're bolted to like a piece of aluminum. And anyways, this was the original how it went. Okay, nice. And then yeah, this like turned into the most universal air blower holder ever. Holds this way, that way, that way, that way. Dude, awesome. Okay, back to the chamfers. Yeah, why won't it focus? What the H? I guess the part will come to you and not you to the part. Focus. So yeah, man, there you go. One part ready for the spaceship. Now I need to, I guess, flip it over and machine the other side, but maybe we'll save that for tomorrow. Yeah, cool, excellent. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and yeah, subscribe if you like, thumbs down if you don't like, thumbs up if you like, thumbs sideways if you don't know. If you don't have any thumbs, do the middle finger. That works too. So cool, excellent, thank you, and we'll catch you later.